This morning I was deleting computer files to free up space on my computer when I came across these two cloud pours, one with a lime green center and one with the coral center. They were created 2 years ago, but at the time I didn't assemble a YouTube video because one of the videos was corrupt. But anyway, I thought today that I'd show you what I have, and I hope you enjoy the process. It's cloud pour day. I have so many colors mixed up and thought I'd better get to it. So this is a custom color. It's Amsterdam greenish blue and DecoArt pewter. I just had a little of both, so that's why I mixed them together. And same with this. I had a greenish color and yellow, so I mixed them together. I think there's some blue in there too. I've had that for a while. And this is a custom color. It's coral. I mixed magenta and yellow together to get the coral. This is, well, first I want to use the little bit of Amsterdam sky blue light. I think that's what it's called. And then when I run out of that, I'll use the DecoArt texture deep turquoise. This, I'm not sure what green it is. I've had this mixed up for a while. Sometimes I label the cups, but then the paint gets coagulated, and then I sift it, and then I put it in another cup, and then I don't label it again. And sometimes it's just a mixture of odds and ends. But this one is DecoArt Emerald Metallic. Here's my cloud mix. I'll put the recipe in the description box below. And this is my flow extender. It's just a metallic house paint that I had, Krylon silver. And this is a 12 by 12 canvas that I'm repouring on. So we'll see what happens. This is the first one I did, and I love the thickness of it. I'm not sure how I got that beautiful, soft, cloudy effect there. I love the cute colors. It's a cute cloud pour with these little clouds suspended in the greenish part. And all the fingerlings, soft feathers. So a departure from my usual cloud pour colors. And now I'll attempt a second one, still a 12 by 12 canvas, but this time I'm going to change the order of the colors. What you pour in the cup first comes out last, and it'll be in the middle. So the middle will be the coral and this custom green, and then the custom yellow-green with the emerald with the cloud mix in between, and then the two blues, sky blue light and the mixture of greenish blue and pewter. And I'll still have this on hand in case I need it, the deep turquoise metallic. I have my cloud mix ready and my flow extender. So, round 2. This is the second cloud pour, and I love the center with the coral color. Reminds me of a sunrise or sunset. And we got some nice puffy soft clouds. Again, the soft fingerlings, some suspended clouds. They're boulders. And again, the softness that I love. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Which one do you like the best? Well, that's it for today. Enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.